Hey Guitar Champion, what's going on? Justin Hombach here, back from my practice cave, and welcome to today's video, which will be your future main workout when it comes to speed picking, pick control, left and right hand synchronization and stamina. Trust me, it's worth to check out this video, so here we go. Alright, I'm really a big fan of the concept from workouts, and especially the Chop Builder by Frank Gambale has really inspired my kind of playing. And I like the concept because you can use those workouts when you don't have that much time on your hand during the day. So those workouts are perfect for everybody who has a daily job, has maybe a family or other stuff to do, and only have maybe sometimes 15 minutes or half an hour to practice guitar. But there aren't many workouts out there, and most of the workouts really don't get the point of workouts, I would say, because they are not focusing on the things that pushes my limits and brings me to the next level. And therefore I was kind of a little bit disappointed from the workouts that are currently out there on YouTube, so I created my own workout. And this workout really pushed my limits through the last year while I was practicing and working on that workout. And believe me, when this workout can push my limits, it will push your limits definitely, and will bring your playing, your picking playing to the next level. The complete workout is built up out of 5 levels. Easy, which is the workout on 60 BPM. Kinda hard, which is the workout on 80 BPM. Intermediate, which is the workout on 100 BPM. Whew, it's getting sweaty here, which is the workout on 120 BPM. And oh my god, what am I doing here? I have to work so much and practice more and more and more, which is the workout on 140 BPM. In this YouTube video we are going to face the intermediate level, which is the workout on 100 BPM. If you want to have the lower levels, or maybe the faster levels, plus some more in-depth detail explanation for the lick that we are going to play in this workout, then go and check out the full version of it on my Elo page. The link is in the description box. There you can buy the full workout and support this channel. But the complete workout is also an add-on for the ZEN of Speedpicking, my online speed picking course where I put all of my knowledge about two-ways pick slanting, speed picking, string skipping, pick stamina, pick control, rhythm control, everything inside one online course. So please go and check out the ZEN of Speedpicking as well. Link is in the description box. So now let's go on and check out the lick that we are going to play in the workout and the big concept behind this workout, because it's a little bit different than all the other workouts out there. So let's check out the next section. So now the concept behind this workout is that we have one big lick that we are going to learn during that workout, because we're going to split this one big lick into a few different chunks. So this lick is built to face different problems that we have when it comes to speed picking. So every kind of phrase and every kind of section there has a certain purpose, and it's a pretty cool lick as well. And I like this idea a little bit more than first learning 5 licks that we're going to put inside of the workout, which I have done 1 year ago in my older workout. I was kind of disappointed a little bit by that, because you need to first learn the lick. And here we are learning the lick while doing the workout, which is a really, really cool idea, I would say. So now, what lick am I talking about? The lick goes like that in slow. Alright, and again. So let's check out the lick. Here we are in the E minor scale. We are playing everything 3 notes per string, starting on the 12th fret of the E string. And here we always have 3 notes per string, an uneven number of notes per string, which means we have to change the pick slant direction every time when we're going to the next string. And this is something which most of the workouts, the picking workout that are out there on YouTube, don't necessarily have. Most of them are playing lines like, which are cool and awesome, but you're not facing a lot of problems that you have actually when you're doing speed picking. those problems you can solve by learning two-way pick slanting. So this workout is especially good when you want to improve on your two-way pick slanting because of the uneven number of notes per string. And with that, it's a lot harder to play this one fast because the lick itself from the movement of our right hand, because of the two-way pick slanting, is way more complex than one-way pick slanting, like when we have an even number of notes per string. Playing this one on 300 BPM in regular triplets, 8-note triplets, no problem. 310, no problem. Even for you, I guarantee. After 1 year practicing this kind of stuff, it's no problem for you because those licks aren't really complex. But having two-way pick slanting is more complex. We have more movement that we have to be aware of in our right and our left hand, and it helps us to play certain cool, new and fresh ideas. So now back to the lick. Okay, we're starting on the 12th fret and then we're going 3 strings up to the D string. And now the first interesting turn, we are going to the A string. So we have a phrase that starts with the upstroke. Really interesting. Then we're going from the A string up high to the high E string. Everything 3 notes per string. Then we're doing position shift, playing down to the D string. Oh, sorry. And then we're jumping to the G string again, doing another position shift and resolving this lick. And on the workout, we are always playing 1 string. Then we're going to the first note of the next string so that we can work the string change and the pick slanting change, the change of the pick slant direction. And then we're going to the last note of the next string. And then again to the first note of the next string. So we're always changing between last note of the string and first note of the next strings. So we can work on the phrase itself, but also on the change to the next string and therefore the change between the two-way pick slanting. So first you might think, man, this lick doesn't sound complex. It's only scale up, scale down, scale up, scale down. Yeah, but like most of the things when we're playing guitar, the devil is in the detail. Alright, so this is the lick that we're going to face off in the workout. And I would say, less talking, check out the lick, slow for you first, and then let's dive right into the workout. And in the workout you will see what I mean by learning the lick while doing the workout. We are playing every kind of phrase and idea 4 times here. And in the end we're playing the complete lick from beginning to end 4 times in a row. And sometimes we have a little bit of resting time in between phrases, like 1 bar, and you will find out in the workout where those resting times are. But I would recommend to just start the workout and let's try to play along with it. First check out the lick, of course, but then try to play along with the workout. And after a few times doing that workout, I would say you will be into it and you will know when the breaks are where you can rest a little bit your left and your right hand. When you are feeling some sort of tiredness in your left and your right hand, then stop it, make a little bit of a pause. It's great for our stamina to be a little bit exhausted with the left and the right hand up to a point. Know your limits as well and know when it feels painful, then stop the workout and do it on the next day or maybe 2 days after that. It's totally fine to have 1 day resting time in between that. But therefore I would say check it out for yourself, and when you're feeling uncomfortable and a little bit exhausted, then it's good to stop. It's the same for me when I'm doing the workout. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Again, if you want to have the full version of the workout with all the levels and another level coming on, maybe 2 levels coming on over the year, it depends on how much I'm practicing on it, but my goal is to get this one also on 160 BPM. Then purchase the full workout on my site. Again, link is in the description box, or get the ZEN of Speedpicking if you want to have my full knowledge about speed picking. Thanks for supporting this channel. Feel free to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more free lessons coming in the future. Alright, I would say see you in my next video. Cheers and stay progress.